Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube, my Mandarin channel. So in my channel, I mainly teach Mandarin pronunciation and writing. You will see my video about me writing and talking. So let's start. And in this column, I'm going to write down pinyin, which is pronunciation to help you pronounce the Chinese characters. And then we need to do imagination or visualize 4 cubes into one big grid to fit in our Chinese characters. For the beginners, I will write down English, so for you to have something to remember and to learn by yourself. Okay, so let's start from Mandarin numbers, which is the easiest way, easiest stroke and easy to write. So, yi, okay, it pronounced as yi, which means 1. And then we have r, that is 2. So you probably notice this little symbol. And what is that? That is called tone. So in Chinese, we have 4 tones, which are very important for the Chinese to hear which words you're using and what you're talking. So you have to pay attention to the 4 tones when you are talking in Mandarin. 4 tones is simple. That's the first tone. We also call it flat tone. And then second tone, third tone, and then we have 4th tone, very deep. So 4 tones help you to distinguish which Chinese character you're talking, and it's very important. I cannot emphasize it enough. Let's go back to the numbers. Then we have 三, it means 3. 思安三, that's flat tone. By now you probably think, is it 4 would be 4 strokes, but it's actually not. From 4 it starts changing. 四, 一, this is first tone, 一, 二, 三, 四. The 5th stroke, 五. Okay, so 5 strokes we have 四. That is 4, which is considered as a bad number in China because pronunciation is so similar to death. So when we buy an apartment or car license plate, we avoid the number 4. Then we have 五, 一. Yeah, we count the strokes together. 二, 三, 四. So 4 strokes, we have 五. This is 5, 五. And then we go to next number, 六. 一, 二, 三, 四. 4 strokes again, 六. This is the way, this is new letters for you probably, and it's 4th tone. So when we type in computer on the keyboard, we usually use the letter V to replace this letter because we cannot find this one in the keyboard. This is 六. My mom is the 6th child in her large family. So that's 六. And then we go to 七. 七. That is 7. So each time I will teach you limited numbers of characters. So you have enough time to memorize them, practice them. Practice makes perfect. And let's count those 7 numbers in Mandarin again together. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And see you next time. Goodbye.